So team, first, how to log in. Please open up the Internet Explorer. Via the Internet Explorer, there is 3 ways in which you can log into AutoPlay software. One is go to studio.autoplay.co.nz. From here, this page here, when you go to studio.autoplay.co.nz, you can select right-click and install AutoPlay onto this computer. It is then important to tick Desktop and then OK. In doing this, this will then upload the AutoPlay icon to your desktop of your computer. Here. From here, we can enter your login details. For Ray White clients, your login details are your G5 login details, the same as how you log into My Desktop and your emails. And then log in. That is how we log into the AutoPlay Studio. Also, by setting the icon to your desktop by right-clicking on the studio.autoplay.co.nz page. So now that we've logged into AutoPlay, we can very simply edit a listing. From the list of listings we have here, you can very simply type in the address for a listing, or you can click in the address bar to put them in numeric order, or click in the agent bar to put them in order of agents, alphabetical order. You see also from the main screen here in AutoPlay, we have the audio column. If it says an agent's name, for example myself, Kyle Brown, that means that I have done the recording for this listing via my smartphone or desktop device. If it's to say AutoPlay, this means that AutoPlay, the professional voiceover recording artist, has conducted and done the voiceover for this listing. So now, to edit a listing, very simply double-click on the listing. From here, we can very simply edit the photos for that listing. We can change the order and how we choose. The order that you change here is not going to affect the display on the website. You can also add a transition to a photo by simply double-clicking. A pop-up box will come, and then you can choose the transition for that listing, for that photo, sorry. Once you're happy with the order that you've chosen of the images, it's very important you select Build Video. This will update the video to the order of photos and how you have placed them. The next step is to add a script for professional recording. Now, to add a script for professional recording, you can either copy the description that's loaded to the website using Control-A, Control-C for copy, open up the Add Edit Script box. That's the Add Edit Script box, and then Control-V for paste. Now with scripts, it's important that they're not a list of bullet points or a list of features for the property. It needs to be okay for the heard word. Our voiceover artist will read what's in the script box, whatever's typed in front of them. It's also important to keep it under 200 words. Now what this does, it keeps it around the minute in length, which helps the browsers not lose interest within the video. So in the script here, you can also add your own choices. Please call Kyle today. Then very simply select Save, and then Professionally Record. It asks the prompt, are you sure you want to professionally record? Okay. Now this will be sent to our voiceover artist. With Monday to Thursday, within 24 hours, that will be recorded for you. And scripts loaded on Friday will be recorded on the following Monday. So, now team, the point of these webinars is to keep it short and sweet. I understand you're busy. If you have any questions throughout, please don't hesitate to put your hand up. Other option is to email support@autoplay.co.nz if you have any questions. I will also follow up with an email afterwards with regards to training or any user guides needed. Now the last point 3 in our webinar today is receiving the MP4 file for your in-room auctions. Now, some offices like to display these videos in the in-room auctions before the auctioneer does his presentation. So very simply, select the listing of your choice. Once the video has been professionally recorded and you have updated the photos of your choice and changed the transitions, you can very simply select Email Video. When you select Email Video, within 10 to 15 minutes, AutoPlay will then send you the MP4 file for that listing to your inbox, to whoever's logged in. What you can do with this MP4 file is upload it to a PowerPoint presentation and use it, like I said, in your in-room auctions of your choice. So, just to recap there, guys. Point 1, how to and where to log in to AutoPlay. Using Internet Explorer or Firefox, very simply, you can go to AutoPlay, studio.autoplay.co.nz. Alternatively, you can go to www.autoplay.co.nz. On the top right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see Login. By selecting Login, it will take you to our login page. Again, just to recap, you can update this to your desktop by very simply selecting right-click, install AutoPlay onto this computer, ticking desktop, and OK. Now, if you minimize these tabs, you will see the AutoPlay icon on your desktop. Now, double-click on that. Type your password. You can select Remember Me to save you doing this each time, and then log in. Now, once you're in the AutoPlay Studio, you can very simply edit the listing. So you find your listing, you can search the listing by selecting the address bar. We'll put them in alphabetical order. The agent name, again, alphabetical order, or typing in the address of the property. From here, now we've found the listing, we can very simply edit the listing. Here you can change the order of the photos. You can delete a photo if you choose. It's not going to affect what's on the website. You can double click on a photo and select the transition. Once you're happy with the transitions and the order of the images, you very simply select Build Video. And now, to add a script to be professionally recorded, you can very simply select the Add Edit Script box. This is the description that's loaded to the website. It's very important we make it okay for the heard word and not a list of features or bullet points. And then we select Save and Professionally Record. Last but not least, to receive the MP4 file for your in-room auctions, you very simply select Email Video in the AutoPlay Studio. Now, team, thank you very much for your time today. Like I said, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact support@autoplay.co.nz or give myself or Francesca a call. We'll happily help out. Have a great Christmas and New Year's break. We'll be having a break from webinars for December and January and jumping back on board in February. Any questions, team, please don't hesitate. Enjoy your day and have lots of fun.